Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find serial number for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4. So basically we have two options how to check it. The first one, we can use a box, and at the bottom of the box we have serial number. And right here we have the serial number for the charging case, because the charging case is considered the main device as it handles Bluetooth connectivity and the charging, that's why. Now, the second option is to use an application. You need to open HUAWEI AI Life app. And of course you need to add your earbuds to the application. Then you will see them at the device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Now, at the right top we have 3 dots, or if you have Android you will have 4 dots. You need to tap at this and then go to device settings. Then device information, and right here we have the serial number, firstly for the charging case, the same as what we have at the box, and then for the left and right earbuds. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!